ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ what we learnt in this month I will explain today shortly and we will go to next. ಗುಣಿತ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಪಾಠಗಳು. ಪಾಠ 1, ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿರಿ. You have to finish this, or you finished already. Okay, you learned this letter and pictures. I told you to about these pictures what we will tell. Okay, and you learned ballis. Yes, see what will come in the exam also. Exam means test also what will come, I will tell that also that time only. Okay, see means these ballis are there, no, this also will come for exam. Like this only you have to write, but here they given only go to go. Okay, go to go, and next they given half, no, that all together I will ask you. You have to write go to gaha, go to kaha, full you have to write. Yes, this will come. You have to see this also and practice without seeing to write. Yes, any ballis like this you have to try to write without seeing. Okay, it will also come in the test. And words you have to practice. See, read and practice. I will give you to picture. I can ask you, see the picture and write the word. I will not ask any different and very tough words. I will not ask. Daily life, what you are using, that things only I will give you. And which picture is there to see you, that picture only I will give. Don't worry, don't take tension. I will not make you fail also in the test. It's a revision worksheet. Okay, we are taking as a test, but it's a revision worksheet only. Okay, you have to read this all the words. I told you already about these meanings also. Okay, which video, if you are getting confused anything, you can see back that this video what I explained. Okay, please see that and practice. Today again I will not explain this one, only I will tell what you have to do. Okay, next, like these pictures I can give you and write the word like this I can tell. Okay, yes, this also you have to practice. You have to practice this for test. Okay, and like this also I can ask. I am giving here fill in the blanks, and I will give options also. Which option is correct, that you have to fill here and you have to complete the fill in the blanks. Okay, and next, ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಪದ ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದನ್ನು. Like this also you have to practice. Okay, simple I will ask. I will not ask any tough words. Okay, please don't take tension and don't fear also. Okay, about that test. Yes, here also is there, same only pictures are there. You have to see the picture and practice the words. And this half is there, no, here half is there, there half is there, both together you have to write the ballis. Okay, and next, these words also you have to practice, read and practice. Okay, now next is here pictures are there. In that pictures, without seeing, you have to write words. Okay, like this you have to practice. And here also is there. In the test I can give you match the following also. I will give the pictures and I will give the words. You have to match with the words and pictures. Okay, yes, next, this everything we finished this one. ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Here they given full balli. Yes children, ch, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, chru, che, che, chai, cho, cho, chau, cham, chaha. Yes, like this full balli is there, no? Like this I will ask you. You have to practice full balli. Okay, not half. You have to learn full balli. Yes. And next, this much I finished. You have to practice this all. Okay. Then now today what you have to learn I will tell you. Okay. See here. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ 10 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. See here they given the letters. What you have to do? You have to find any letter you can take in this and write the word. Okay, any letter. Example they given here Rai. It should not compulsory to next letter only or here only it should be there. Anywhere in this box. Okay, see example they given Rai Lu. Yes, it's near. Anywhere it should be. Okay, Railu. They given here Railu like this. Okay, what you have to do? Using these letters, you have to write any 10 words. Till now we learnt in the ಗುಣಿತ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಹುಡುಕಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ? ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 5 words. I will write and I will show. You write 5 words. Okay, is it okay? You will try now? Yes. Now first one is Railu. Already it is there. Okay, now next one I will give you Bele. Bele. Yes, make it round. How I made, no? Like this you make it round. Bele. Bele means crop. I will write here Railu, first one. Second one Bele. Okay, now third one ಯಾವುದು? ಹೂವು. It's there. Hoo. We'll write this one. Hoo. Yes. Now next one is, which one I will write next one? Jenu. See here I will write Jenu. Yes. Now next one is, you can use one letter 2 times also you can use. J you can use two times. Like this also you can use. Okay. Now next one I will write the name Gauri. Yes. Right here Gauri. Okay, I will give you work as you have to find out and search and find 5 words you have to write. Okay, yes. Next page. Here see children, here ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Here they given the ballis only, but they given blank here in the middle. Okay, that you have to fill and complete the balli. This like this also it will come in the exam. Please practice writing. Say and write. It will easy to fill you properly. Okay, see I will show you. ಚ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಚ. ಚಿ. ಚು. ಚುರು. ಚೆ. Next che. Che is there already here. Chai. Cho. Chau. ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಚಮ್. ಚಹಾ. Yes, like this only you have to complete this all the bullies. Okay, you have to complete this all the bullies and practice properly till now what you learnt in this page. Okay, till this much you have to practice for the test also, and you have to complete this, and backside words also you have to complete. Okay children, I am not giving any more work today because you have to practice the test. Okay, have a nice day children. Thank you.